Welcome Primary 2, with you is Miss Noura Abdurrahman, and today we are going to start lesson number 4, which is talking about the light. So, are you ready to start? Let's go! Hey, what is this darkness? Can you see anything? Oh no, we cannot see anything. Turn on the light, please. Now, can you see anything? Yes, we can see. So we cannot see anything without the light. So the light makes things visible. Light makes things visible. What is the meaning of visible? Visible means can be seen. So the light makes things visible. Excellent. Okay, how can we get this light? We have a sources to get the light. We have two types of sources, a natural sources and artificial sources. Natural sources and artificial sources. What is the natural sources? Natural sources are coming from the nature, and that means that we cannot make it, like the sun. Can you make a sun? No, because it is a natural source. Number 2, the artificial source. The artificial source, or the man-made or the human-made source, is a source we can make it. Like what? Like the lamp. Can you make a lamp? Yes, it is an artificial source, so you can make it. So again, we have two types of sources. Natural sources, which we can make and which we cannot make, and artificial sources which we can make. Let's start with the natural sources. We have two natural sources we cannot make it, and it is just coming from the nature. Number 1, the sun. The sun is the main or the most important natural source of light on the earth, because the sun it's just doesn't light a one room or a one home. The sun is giving the light to all the earth. So the sun is the main natural source of light on earth. So again, what is the main natural source of light on the earth? It is the sun. Okay, number 2, at the night. How can you see things at the night? By the moon? But the moon is not a source of light. The moon doesn't have any light. If you remember on the first term, we said that the moon is a rock. It doesn't have any light. It is taking the light from the sun. So the moon is not a source of light. But the stars have a light. The stars are a natural source of light at the night. So we have two natural sources of light, the sun and the stars. The sun and the stars are a natural sources. Now let's go to the artificial sources, or the source which we can make. Like what? Like the lamp. The lamp is an artificial source of light because the human make it. The human can make it. The lamp gives the light to the room, to the home, to the streets, to the schools, and to everywhere. So the lamp is an artificial source. Again, we have two types of sources, natural and artificial. Natural sources like the sun and the stars, and artificial sources like the lamp. Now, let's talk about some properties of the light. Number 1, the light travels in straight lines. What is that meaning? Okay, I have a question. Is the light is moving? Yes, the light is moving from the sun to us, and also the light is moving from the lamp to us. So, does the light moving? Yes, the light is moving. Okay, let's see at the sunlight. How can it moving? It is moving in a straight lines. Let's see in this picture. Yes, the sunlight is moving or traveling in straight lines. Okay, let's see the second picture. Look at the lamps. Huh? Can the lamp's light move in straight lines? Yes, it is moving also in straight lines. So the light travels in straight lines. The light travels in straight lines. Again, the light travels in straight lines. Now, let's go to the property number 2, which is called light reflection. Light reflection. What is the light reflection? We said that the light is traveling or moving in a straight line. Okay, what will happen if the light hits an object? When the light is hitting an object, the light will turn back and go to the other side, bouncing or returning back and go to the other side. And this is called light reflection. Light reflection. So, what is the light reflection again? When the light hitting an object and return back to the other side. When the light hitting an object and return back into the other side, this is called light reflection. Okay, what does the objects make a light reflection? A smooth and shiny objects. Like what? Like the mirror. Look at the mirror at the picture. Is it smooth or soft? Yes, it is smooth. It is smooth. Okay. Is it shiny? Yes, it is shiny. So it is smooth and shiny. So it can make the light reflection. So again, what is the light reflection? It is It is when the light hitting object and returning back on the other side. This is called light reflection. What does the object make a light reflection? The object would have a smooth and shiny surfaces. Like what? Like the mirror. Can you see the mirror here? Light. The light is moving in a straight line. An object like the mirror, and this is the light reflection. It is returning back into the other side. This is light reflection. Now let's talk about the rainbow. Do you like the rainbow? Yes, we all like the rainbow. What is the rainbow? The rainbow is a mixture of colors coming from the sunlight. Mixture of colors coming from the sunlight. Oh, does the rainbow coming from the sunlight? Yes, and we will know how. But first, let's know what is the colors of the rainbow. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 colors on the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And now let's sing it together. Red and orange, yellow and green, blue, indigo, violet. Red and orange, yellow and green, blue, indigo, and violet. Again, red, orange, yellow and green, blue, indigo, and violet. Red and orange, yellow and green, blue, indigo, and violet. The last time. Red and orange, yellow and green, blue, indigo, and violet. This is the 7 colors of the rainbow. What is the rainbow? It's a mixture of colors coming from the sunlight. And now let's learn together how does the rainbow is formed. At first we can see a rainbow when it's raining. So we need a water in the air and also we need a sunlight to see the rainbow. Again, to see the rainbow, we need a water in the air and we need a sunlight. The sunlight will move or travel in a straight line until it is coming to the small water drops in the air and it is passing inside it. In this picture, you can see the sunlight is passing inside the small water drops. After it is passing inside it, the white color of the light turning and separates into a seven different colors, which is called the rainbow. So, how can the rainbow form again? When the light passes inside the raindrops. When the light passes inside the raindrops, the sunlight separates to give the seven different colors, which is called rainbow. So again, how does the rainbow form? When the sunlight passes inside the raindrops, the sunlight separates into seven different colors, which is called rainbow. So we can see the rainbow when it is just raining. Why? Because to see the rainbow, we need a sunlight and we need water in the air. When the sunlight is passing inside the water drops, the sunlight separates into seven different colors, which is called rainbow. Again, now let's say it together. What is the rainbow colors? Red and orange, yellow and green, blue, indigo, and violet. Again, red and orange, yellow and green, blue, indigo, and violet. With you was Miss Noura Abdurrahman, and thank you for listening.